Hello dears, I hope you all are fine and good. So in the last video we have discussed about the multiplication of fractions, and as you already know that this is the second continuous part of that. So in this video we are going to discuss about the division in fractions or division of fractions. But before moving to the division of the fractions, if I'm saying example divide one pizza into its halves. Divide one pizza into its halves. What you will do is that this is your pizza. I might not be a good artist in drawing even a good proper circle. Don't mind it. So it might be a circle or it might be a pizza. You have to divide it into half. Half means it means 1 divided by half. One pizza divided into half 1 by 2. So I am actually dividing into its half. This will be the half one portion and this will be the other half portions. Can you say after dividing 1 into its half, how many parts I'm getting? How many parts I'm actually getting is 2. How many parts I'm actually getting is 2. If I am saying divide 2 by 1 by 4 means, for example, I am saying divide 2 pizza into its fourth part means divide 2 pizzas into 1 by 4 1 by 4. Divide to make 4 parts from each pizza. So 2 I am having here, 2 pizzas. I'm just dividing them into 4 parts. This will be the 1 by 4. This will be its 1 by 4. This will be 1 by 4. This will be 1 by 4. This 2 also 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means if I am checking 2 divided by 1 by 4 is getting how much? How many parts I'm getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's actually coming as 8 parts. See, is it a little bit amazing or a little bit confusing too? Like, we know that whenever we are dividing any number, we are getting always a smaller number. But here it's completely opposite. When 1 divided by its 2 parts, we are getting 2. When 2 divided by 1 by 4, we are getting 8, which is actually bigger than both. For example, 2 is bigger than these. 8 is bigger than these. How? To find out this, we have one rule here. To find out this, we have one general rule here, because drawing these figures is not possible in every case. Drawing these types of figures are actually not possible in all of the cases. So what we are is gonna do now, for example, if I'm writing the same thing, that is 1 divided by 1 by 2. We have to follow 2 steps here. I'm writing 2 rules here. Rule number 1. Hashtag rule number 1. Rule number 1 says that convert the symbol of division into multiplication. Convert the symbol of division into multiplication means in place of this divide, what we gonna write is we are gonna write multiply. And the rule number 2 says that take the reciprocal of the second part or the second number. Take the reciprocal of the second number, or I can say the last number. Here this is the first number, this is the second number. Or now what is coming here as reciprocal? What do you mean by this reciprocal? Reciprocal means the reverse of that. Example, if I am saying what is the reciprocal of 4 by 5? So the reciprocal of 4 by 5, reciprocal of 4 by 5 will be 5 by 4. Reciprocal of 9 by 10 will be 10 by 9. Reciprocal means the opposite or the reverse of that. What if I'm asking the reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal of 2 will be, actually I have already told you that 2 means 2 by 1. Because dividing any whole number by 1 will give you the same whole number. So 2 by 1 or 2 will be 1 by 2. If I am asking what is the reciprocal of 1 by 5, it will be 5 by 1, or we can call it as only 5. I hope you can see that part too. So 1 by 5 is equals to 5 by 1 or 5. 2 by 1 is equals to 1 by 2 or, and the reciprocal of 9 by 10 is equals to 10 by 9. So reciprocal means just the reverse of that. Now come back to over here. 1 divided by half. 1. Step number 1, convert this division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2 by 1. So 1 into 2 by 1, 2 ones are 2 by 1, or the answer will be 2. Clear? Next example was 2 divided by 1 by 4. This division will be converted into multiplication, 2 into 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 will actually be converted into 4 by 1. 2 4s are 8 by 1, that will be equals to 8. So division of fractions is quite easy. We just only have to follow the two rules. Now let us take few more examples, like division of two fractions. Division of two fractions. If we need to divide two fractions, how we can do it? Example, 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Same steps. 1 by 2 division will be converted into multiplication with the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Now product of numerators 3 into 1 3, and the product of denominators 2 2s are 4. This will be my answer. Here also we can check one thing, the cutting method, like we were doing in the multiplication of fractions. If it is possible to cut, we can cut. But in this case, it was not possible to cut, so we will not cut it. Take one more example. 9 by 7 divided by 18 by 21. Divided by 18 by 21. What will happen now? 9 by 7, this division will be converted into multiplication, and with the reciprocal of this, the reverse of this, it will be 21 by 18. Now I will check the cutting method. Is it possible to cut 9 and 18? Yes. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Is it possible for me to cut 7 and 21? Yes. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So what is left with me? 1 into 3 by 1 into 2. 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. This will be my answer. So division of two fractions is also very easy. Nothing here too much, just these two steps. Convert the symbol of division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the last part. Take the other example. Division of a fraction by whole number. By a whole number. See, the first example, the first thing which we have took was division of a whole number by a fraction, like 1 divided by 1 by 2, 2 divided by 1 by 4. That was a whole number divided by fraction. Second, we have seen division of two fractions. The third one we are checking is about division of a fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number means 7 by 9 divided by 14. Division of a fraction by a whole number. 7 by 9 divided by 14. This will be 7 by 9 into, what is the reciprocal of 14? What? Good. 1 by 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. We can cut them. Now what is baki? 1 into 1 by 9 into 2. These two things are left with me. And 1 by 18. Clear? Take one more example. Second part. 11 by 12 divided by 44. 11 by 12 divided by 44. 11 by 12 into 1 by 44. 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. 1 into 1 by 12 into 4. 1 ones are 1, 12 fours are 48. This will be my answer. So it's easy because every time you need to follow just two rules, that is, convert the symbol of division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the last part or the second part. Okay, I hope it is clear for everyone. There is no rocket science in that. It's a very easy thing. I'm just giving one more example, like division of two mixed fractions, like 3 whole 2 by 4 divided by 5 whole 9 by 11. Instead of 11, let me make it as 7. How we can do it? First of all, convert them into improper fractions. 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 2, 14 by 4 divided by 7 fives are 35 plus 9, 35 plus 9, 44 by 7. Now what will happen? The same rule we will do, 14 by 4 into 7 by 44. Is it possible to cut? Yes. 2 sevens are 14. Sorry. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 22 times are 44. Anything else is possible to reduce here? No. 7 into 7, product of numerators by product of denominators. 4 into 22. 7 sevens are 49 by 4 into 22, that will be equals to 88. This will be my answer. Cool. Easy. So what you need to do is that if you have any doubts, you can ask me through the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. But you have to do one more important thing, that is you have to try to do the questions of the exercises by yourself. Because it's very easy to do this. Once you will understand the concept, try to do them. Do one thing, when you are solving the questions on my video, see my video again and again for each and every example, then try to solve the questions. I hope this may be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.